Hi everyone, in this video I will completely explain about the Google certifications and the course which Google offers. So there are two parts, one is for developer and other is for management. In developer part, Google provide associate Android developer course. In associate Android developer course, what you will learn, let's see. So here they will provide you some study material and they will teach you complete about the Android and the how Android applications are made, how they are managed. Once you have completed this course, then an exam will be taken by them. If you clear that exam, the third stage will be interview. Once you have cleared the interview, you will get an e-certificate and this certificate will be valid for 3 years. Second course which Google offers is about TensorFlow. So course name is TensorFlow Developer Certification. This course is provided through Udacity, and in this course you will completely learn about deep learning as well as Google offers TensorFlow with machine learning. So you can complete this machine learning course also. So in machine learning course you will learn about what is machine learning, how to design machine learning models and how they are managed. So there are 25 lessons in machine learning and 30 exercises. This complete course of machine learning is 15 hours. Third course is about Google certification in cloud. So cloud contains 3 parts. One is for professional cloud architect. In professional cloud architect, what you will learn about, you will learn design and plan of a cloud solution architect, design for security, ensure solution and operation reliability, manage implementation of cloud architecture, analyze and optimize technical and business processes. Second course in cloud is professional data engineer. And in this course you will learn about design data processing systems, ensure solution quality, optimizing machine learning models. And the third course in Google Cloud is provided by Associate Cloud Engineer. And in this course you will learn about set up a cloud solution environment, configure access and security, ensure successful operation of a cloud solution. Next course which Google offers is about web development. In web development you will learn about HTML, CSS, and you will be masters in that. So here you will completely learn about how to optimize a website, how to write articles and how to manage them. Next course which Google offers about Firebase. So Firebase is most demanding course nowadays. You can complete this course if you want to go in development field. Now for management student, there is one most popular course is about fundamental of digital marketing. I have also completed this course. Once you have completed it, you will get an e-certificate. You can see my certificate which I have got on completion this course. So there are 26 modules in this course and this course is of 40 hours. Here you will complete learn about digital marketing. So this course is completely industry oriented. If you want to move your career in digital marketing, then basics you can learn from here. Now more courses which Google offers extra than this course is get a business online, make sure customer find you online. You can filter out courses here like data and tech. Once you have click on that, you can see first course is about understand the basic of code. So here I want to tell you that this is only about the basic. So if you want to learn complete about competitive programming, so I have already made a video on that. By clicking on my button you can get this video. In that video I have told you about what is competitive programming, from which language you should start and how can you make your career in this field. So this is all enough for this video. There are a lot of courses which you can see here. I hope you get some useful information. If you have some doubt, you can ask me in comment box. If you get some useful information in this video, then like this video, share this video and subscribe to the channel. See you soon in our next video and thanks for watching.